Hi viewers, today we're looking at the DatePart function for a month. So first of all, we go into the Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt and F11 and then insert a module. And I'm going to name this module VBA underscore date underscore part underscore month. I'm going to embed this month function in a message box. First of all, I'm going to type in MSG box bracket, then DatePart, open bracket, and the interval we want to deal with is the month. So we don't want to look at the year or the day, we just want to know what the month is of the current date and time. So I'm going to enter M in quotes for month, comma, now for the current date and time, which is for today's date and time, comma, VB Sunday, the first day of the week, and VB first of Jan 1, first day or week of the year. And we'll close that in bracket and also close that in another bracket. Then we'll press play. As you can see, it's saying the month as an integer or as a number type is 4, which is April. So the current month of the year at the moment is April. And I can show you how to, let's save that first. I'll show you how to create a button, also to run that macro as well, by going to the developer tab and then clicking on insert button and assigning it to the date part macro for the month. There it is. Clicking OK. And editing the text as well. And when you click on that, it comes up with the macro again, fourth of the year, which is April. And that's how you create a DatePart function for the month.